Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to compile Maven project with different JDK version, right? So before proceeding, let's understand why we need uh, a different compiler to compile Maven based project, right? Well, so here you need to understand by default Maven 2 uses JDK 1.4, Maven 3 uses JDK 1.5 to compile the project, which is very old, right? Fortunately, Maven comes with a compiler plugin which tells Maven to compile the project source with the particular JDK version. Let's try to understand through an example. So here is my Eclipse. Here I am going to create a project, Maven project. So go to the new, go to the project, and here let's create a Maven project. So here new Maven project, click on the next. Here I am going to select Maven archetype quick start, which will create a very simple Java project. And here we have to provide group ID, which is already populating, and artifact ID is nothing but the equivalent to your project name. So that I'm going to give as my demo project. Yeah, now click on the finish, and this will pom.the file already exists with the destination. Okay, so here I think this project name already existing, so let's say I am going to specify my demo project and click on the finish. So this project is created over here. Here you can see the pom.xml, right? So right now our project depends on this jar, right? JUnit jar, nothing more dependency is there. Now if you look into the J2AC 1.5 has been added. So as I told you earlier, for Maven 3 JDK 1.5 is the default one. Now in this package we have a class. Here I am going to write some Java code related to Java 8. So I will write a list of a string. I'd say list equals to new array list. Yeah, and here, sorry, that should be a string, and let's import from java.util, and here I'm going to add, let's say a, and let's add one more element. Sorry, B. Let's add some Java 8 features. So here I'm going to use for each loop system dot out colon println. So here I'm trying to use method reference, right? Now it is showing error, suggesting that just use JDK 1.8. If I select, then here you can see JDK 1.8 has been added. Now if I run this project, no problem at all. I can run, I can get the output. But if I right click and go to the run as, and here I'm going to going to select Maven build, and if I run goal as compile, then this is gonna fail for sure, right? So here you can see this is going to be fail. The reason is that saying that it is suggesting me use source 8 and higher to enable method reference. It is suggesting me to that you have to use compiler for Java 8 or higher version to compile this method reference, right? So guys, as I said earlier, we have a compiler plugin that we can configure in pom.xml for JDK 1.8. Yeah, so let's see how we can configure it. So here in pom.xml, what I'm going to do here, we have to configure build. So we have a build tag. Inside the build we have plugins. Inside that you can configure a lot of plugins. One of the plugin is called a Maven compiler plugin, right? So for group ID for this Maven compiler plugin is arc.apache.maven.plugin, and version of this plugin is 361. And inside the configuration you can specify source and target for JDK, right? So after configuring this, if I, and here you can see there is error is coming. So what you have to do, right click, go to the Maven, and here you can do update project and click on OK. So this error will go away. Now if I right click on this project and go to the run as Maven build, and here if I specify the goal as compile, and if I run, this should run successfully without any issues. So here you can see there is no error, build success, and jar has been generated. So jar must be generated somewhere. So okay, just we have compiled, that's why jar is not generated. If you try to run a goal as in package, then this will generate the jar as well. But anyway, compilation is successful right now, right? Now there is some more customization we can do in the pom.xml. So what we can do here, this source and target JDK we have hard coded. These things what we can do, we can configure inside the properties. So properties tag, I'm going to specify these two things. Sorry guys, there is tag mismatch. Okay. Inside the this, so here inside the properties we can define these two properties, JDK version for target, and we can use this property here, something like this, dollar curly bracket open and close. And similarly we can specify a JDK for a source, right? Copy this property name, and here you can give dollar and something like this, right? Now again I'm going to here and go to the run as, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to build section, and here I'm going to write clean package. So now let's run, and here you can see now at this time jar will be generated. So compilation has successfully, JUnit test case ran, right? And finally binary has generated, right? So guys, that's the way we can configure compiler plugin in JDK, so that you can specify your JDK version for source and target, right? So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoy learning this video. If you really like this video, then hit on the like button. Didn't subscribe KK Java tutorial, then please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much.